Okay, we're on Maaser Sheni. Perek Gimel Mishnah Bet. Second Mishnah in the third chapter of Maaser Sheni. Says the Mishnah, Ein lochin truma bekesef Maaser Sheni. Remember, you take the money from Maaser Sheni to Yerushalayim, and you have to buy food. But let's say you're a Kohen. You have Maaser Sheni money, or you want to give some Maaser Sheni to a Kohen. Can you use the money of Maaser Sheni to buy Terumah? Because remember that there was a market for Terumah. The Kohanim could sell it to other Kohanim, as long as they would eat it with tahara. And it was less expensive because the market was smaller. So says the Mishnah, Ein lochin. No, you cannot buy Terumah bekesef Maaser Sheni. Why? Mipnei shu mema'et ba'achilato. Because you're minimizing the ability to eat it. The Bartenura says, why? The Terumah asur li tvul yom ulizarim. Tvul yom, a person is tamei. If a person becomes tamei, tumat rishon, he goes to the mikvah, and then if he wants to eat Terumah, he has to wait until the night, and then he's tvul yom, then at night, then he becomes tahor. As opposed to Maaser Sheni, he goes to the mikvah and he can eat it right away. Similarly, a zar is a non-Kohen. A non-Kohen can't eat Terumah. So by using the Maaser Sheni money for Terumah, you're saying something that was originally edible for everyone is now only edible to Kohanim. So that's what the Tanakh says you can't do it. Rabbi Shimon matir. Rabbi Shimon permits it. Amar lehem Rabbi Shimon. Rabbi Shimon said to the Chachamim, well, I don't understand. Your logic is that if you're mema'ed ba'achilato, then therefore that's why you can't use the Maaser Sheni money. But ma'im hekel bezivchei shlamim shu mevi'am lidei pigul v'notar v'tamei. 1 second. I'm allowed to buy with my Maaser Sheni money zivchei shlamim, korbanot that were offered in the Beit HaMikdash. And in fact, we learned that was the ideal use of the money of Maaser Sheni. But if I buy a korban, it's possible Miviana brings them to pigul. Pigul is an interesting halacha we'll learn much, much later on in Kachim. If the Kohen has the kavanah, the wrong intention when he's shechting, is an intention for the wrong time. We'll just leave it for now. Pigul. Okay? But the idea is, if the Kohen shechts it and has the wrong kavanot, then the whole korban is pasul. That's called pigul. Or notar. Notar, if you have to eat the korban within a certain amount of time, usually 2 days and 1 night, or 2 nights and 1 day, whatever. V'tamei, and if a tamei can't eat, also cannot eat any part of the korban. So Rabbi Shimon says, listen, we were lenient about offering zivchei shlamim, about using Maaser Sheni money to buy a korban. And in that case, maybe on the day pigul v'notar v'tamei, it's very limiting. It's incredibly limiting in the amount that you can eat it, because if you can have pigul, and you can only eat it for a certain amount of time, and a tamei can't eat it, lo nakel b'trumah. So certainly we should be mekel in trumah, which is many more people. All the Kohanim can eat it. It can be eaten throughout Yerushalayim. Amrulo, they said no. My mekel b'zivchei shlamim. Yes, we were lenient for zivchei shlamim. She'em mutalibim zarim, because zivchei shlamim can be eaten by everyone, even a zar. A zar is a non-Kohen. Nakel b'trumah shi'asir al zarim. Should we be lenient in Terumah? Okay, that's prohibited for a zar. Since it's only for Kohanim, therefore, that's too much of a limitation. Anyone can eat a korban. Anyone can eat shlamim. But Terumah is only edible by Kohanim, and therefore, the Chachamim prohibit using the money of Maaser Sheni only to buy Terumah. We'll stop here. If you have any comments or questions, as always, email me at rspolter@gmail.com. We'll dedicate the learning to the memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Have a good day.